guys, today I'm gonna be doing a slime thing. I don't know. I'm just gonna be playing with two slimes and showing them, so let's get started. First one, purple. Well, I was supposed to be clear at least. So I need to push this out. Ooh, what's this? Oh shoot, that just got on my clothes. It's really sticky and like activated, and so I need to buy more. Oh great, that just got stuck to my table. It's fine. It's like really activated and stuff. So get it? It's like really shiny as well. And yeah, get this off the table. Okay, next slime. Number 2. It's like a teal slime, and it's kind of gross. It's not activated, it's just kind of green teal. And it's like stretchable. Ugh. I don't know what I should do with it. Oh shoot. That's something. And yeah. Maybe in the next video I will, let's see. In the next video I will maybe try and fix one of these slimes if we get 10 likes.